Hello, Claire.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
Today I'm with Mr. Wally.
Yeah.
We are Honda Machinery Company. We come to your factory. What do you feel in our meeting today?
Very smooth and very easy to deal with all out discount and they give me heavy duty machine and good discount. It's a very smooth transaction and I put my down payment right away.
And show you our. I call our factory. You say our factory.
Yeah.
What you feel in our
The
factory?
factory is very big company, and then you can trust because I see the company with very many machinery products and many staff who make the machine. It's very big company, so that's why I trust the Henner Machinery, and then I down payment right away.
Mr. Clear, Miss Clear not coming to the China. We are meeting in Philippines. We are face to face. The customer believe us. In the future, we will do more best service, good quality for you. Okay.
Yeah, this is just starting business, starting machinery. Maybe more and more. I'm hoping and praying that the business.
I hope my machine help you to make more money in the future. When you more machine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.